Look at that sunset, Obaid. It's so beautiful here, it almost doesn't feel real.
I know, right? Being here with you makes it even better. It feels like we're in a different time.
I never thought I'd get to explore an old palace like this, and with a friend who actually understands why it's special.
Most people would just walk through, not even noticing all the little details. But you get it, Sadia. You see the magic in these old walls.
Yeah, Obaid. Maybe I get a little too excited about old walls and hidden rooms.
No way. That's what makes this fun. It's like the palace is sharing its secrets with us because we care enough to look.
Do you ever wonder about the people who lived here? I feel like they left pieces of their lives behind, waiting for someone to find them.
I do, Sadia. Maybe they hoped that someday, people like us would come along curious enough to try and understand.
I'd love that. It feels like they're still here, somehow, in the shadows and in the walls.
So, should we keep exploring? There might be more hidden rooms to find.
You know I'm always ready. Just promise you won't get tired of me saying wow every few minutes.
I look forward to it. Seeing you this happy makes me enjoy it even more.
I feel like with you here, I could keep exploring forever.
Same here, Sadia. Some friendships just make everything feel like an adventure.
I feel that way too. Thanks for being here with me, Obaid.
Always, Sadia. Where should we go next?
Let's check out that hallway with the old tapestries. I bet there's a story there waiting for us.
Lead the way, my friend. We've got a whole palace to explore.
The moral of this conversation is that sharing experiences with someone who understands and appreciates the same things can make moments even more special. When you find a friend who truly values what you love, even simple activities become meaningful adventures. It's a reminder that sometimes the best journeys are made memorable by the people you share them with.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Journey Through Life Stories. By subscribing, you'll get access to inspiring stories, meaningful conversations, and explorations that take you through life's many beautiful and memorable moments. Join us on this journey, and let's discover more amazing stories together.